Hello guys, it's Rachel. Welcome to this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed yet, you can subscribe, but if you don't want to, like, I understand if you don't. But today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day get ready with me. Today is Valentine's Day. It is actually February 14th. So welcome to this Valentine's Day get ready with me. So, what are your plans for Valentine's Day, guys? I hope they're fun, or fun to you. I feel like all of us have different definitions of fun, but I'm going to be spending my Valentine's Day in the library for the most part. So, first I just rubbed on my barrier cream moisturizer, and I put that on my skin. Then I'm gonna put my hair back because this is just how it's gonna work. I curled my hair last night, or weaved it last night, because usually when I weave my hair it turns out super puffy, so I like making it die down a little bit overnight so that when I actually have to wear it out the next day, that it looks a little more natural. And then next I'm gonna take my Quick Fix Urban Decay Prime Spray, and it smells like coconut water, which is why I love it so much. Okay, and then I'm gonna let this dry for a bit. And I'm gonna take my beauty blender, and I'm gonna take my Born This Way concealer in the shade Sand and put that all over my face and dab that stuff into my skin so I can look a little flawless, because you see some of my pimples here and they're just no bueno right now. This year my skin has just been testing me. So let's talk about Valentine's Day for a bit. What are your views on Valentine's Day? And do you think, like, are you for it? Are you against it? Indifferent about it? What are your opinions? I personally think that Valentine's Day is overrated, but that's just for my own experiences. I feel like a lot of people overhype it. As we grow older and you set expectations for your significant other, or just for Valentine's Day in general, to like get a Valentine, like it's cool to get a Valentine and all that stuff, but like that necessarily just doesn't happen all the time. I remember when I was younger, I would always, like, all my friends would get Valentines, and like I wouldn't get a Valentine sometimes, and it kind of just like sucked, you know? So I feel like I've grown to like become desensitized to Valentine's Day, regardless of whether I'm a hopeless romantic or not, because I am a hopeless romantic. I am here for the romance usually, and I'm all about it, but Valentine's Day just hits different. I also believe, like, if you had a significant other and you're using just Valentine's Day for an excuse to show your love and affection for them, like, that's stupid, because you should be showing your love and affection for your person every single day. So Valentine's Day shouldn't just be the only day you should be showing your love for your person. You know, whatever. Also, Valentine's Day is cool too. Valentine's Day. Have you guys ever thought about that? Or you just like take one for the boys, you know? Fridays for the boys today. But I'm gonna take my beauty blender and take my Laura Mercier translucent powder and put this all over my face as well, but I'm gonna dab it on. I just haven't been the biggest fan of Valentine's Day, which is like shocking, because when you get to know me, I'm probably the girliest person you'll ever meet. Out of all my friends, I'm like a really girly person, so you would expect me to like be in love with Valentine's Day, but I'm just like definitely not. I like to set my expectations low, because like when I first had a Valentine, like my real actual first boyfriend, Valentine, it just didn't go well, and he just didn't treat me right. We just aren't like a big fan of Valentine's Day. And then ever since that one experience, I think it like changed my opinion on Valentine's Day for a while. Who knows, maybe someone will change my opinion on it, but for now it's like a huge no for me. Also, I know my door is open there. It's really annoying me. So now I'm gonna go in with my Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia. I use this in almost all of my videos, honestly, but it's just such a cute color palette. And obviously you could see I use this shade a lot, which I'm going to use today as well because we need to go for a pinky tone, like cutesy type of look. So we're gonna rub this all over my face. And yes, I understand, like I don't use brushes, and I say this in every video, like like I don't use brushes for my makeup. When it comes to the eyes, I don't know, I'm just like, I feel like it's easier to blend when you don't use a brush and you just use your finger. I did get brushes for Christmas, but I left them at home. But yeah, so I took Brown Fresco and I put that all over my lids, and then I'm taking the shade Antique Bronze, which is this shade, and putting that on my outer corner. Literally, if you go to one of my everyday makeup tutorials, this is probably one of the eye looks that I have. Next, I'm going to take the shade Warm Top, which is a brown shade, and then put that also on my outer corner. Then I'm going to take the shade Vermeer, which is the sparkle shade, and put that in my inner corner. Blend it into like the lid. Next, we are going to do my eyelashes. So Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day, hope you guys have a fun day. Have you guys heard Justin Bieber's new album? Slaps, it slaps. Then I'm going to take my classic Clump Crusher Water Resistant by Lash Blast. It's the CoverGirl mascara in the green, and I'm going to take that and put that all over the eyelashes. And next, I'm going to contour my face. There's so much going on in this frame of this. Also, I'm wearing like a grout fit right now, but I'm very comfortable. Honestly, wear this for Valentine's Day, guys. It's comfortable. It's a fun time. Okay, so next I'm gonna do my contour. I'm gonna take my brushes from Real Techniques and my Kat Von D palette and go into the shade Shadow Play, and then take that and do it on my cheekbones, and then do it on my nose. I've been watching Dance Moms lately too on Hulu, and like it's so addicting. I don't know why I didn't get into it when I was younger, but that's the tea. Back to Valentine's Day talk. What are you guys doing for Valentine's Day? Did I ask that already? I feel like I've asked that like a billion times in this video. I just like don't know what I'm doing for Valentine's Day, so I'm making this video. So hey, we could spend Valentine's Day together. If you are doing nothing on Valentine's Day, know that I'm making this video for you on Valentine's Day, so you guys could watch this on Valentine's Day. You guys are most likely not going to watch this on Valentine's Day because the only people who watch my videos are my friends, and I'm pretty sure all of you guys are doing something for Valentine's Day. If you guys are studying and watching this video, hey guys, what's up? So now I just blend that in. I want to know who watches my videos. If you watch this video and you made it to this point of the video, if you watch my videos at least, comment down below. Because I really kind of want to know like who actually watches my videos. I see the analytics and I see like the regions like people are watching from and stuff like that, but I genuinely do want to know like who is watching. Yeah, so next we do my blush. So I'm going to take this brush by MAC and take my blush shade. I've literally been using the same blush shade since I started using makeup. It's called Warm Soul by MAC. I'm going to take that and put it on the bottom of this brush. I'm going to put that on my cheekbones. I think like a cute blush will look cute for Valentine's Day because, you know, pinky tones and stuff like that. Have you noticed the difference in my room? You'll see soon. Coming soon, my room tour. But I need to do an updated room tour for you guys because I know people who watch my videos came from that room tour video that I did a year ago, and I need to really get on my poop and do the video because I'm running out of time in this room to be able to do it. I need to do it soon. Okay, and I just did my highlight in the shade Opal by Becca. I used the De-Slick setting spray by Urban Decay, and it's the oil control one because you don't want your face to be oily. I'm gonna take that, spray it all over my face. Next, we are going to do a lip. So for this, I was thinking I would pop out my Fenty Beauty. It's the Fenty Beauty lip paint in the shade Uncensored. It's this really, really like bright red, and I was thinking of doing this today. So what do you guys think? Me too. We're just gonna put this paint on my lips and hopefully it turns out good. I'm scared. Red lips like always scare me because it go either really good or really bad, but I did this lip for 4th of July and everyone really liked it, so okay. And that's the red lip, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, now we're gonna do my hair. So I'm gonna keep this necklace on. It's the bead necklace by Starlit Village, and then I have accessories on. Ring from Pura Vida, and then a ring from Brandy. But I'm going to put my hair up. Hell yeah. And then get some droopies in there. Yeah, some droopies. Perfect. And then put her up. Oh, she's cute. So next I'm gonna do my outfit. Ready? I'm gonna change in 3, 2, 1. This is my fit. So my top is from Princess Polly, and then I have a bralette underneath from Aerie, and then I have my Princess Polly belt, and then jeans from Tucson, and then I'm gonna pair them with these shoes with these heels. I don't know where really they're from. So this is my makeup and my fit, and I really wish you could see my fit better, but you know, we gotta do what you gotta do. Pretty much it. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys have an amazing Valentine's Day and you spend it with someone that you love, whether it is your family, your friends, or your significant other. Have a Galentine's Day, a Valentine's Day, a family day, or Valentine's Day, it doesn't matter. But spread love today and every day. Don't make Valentine's Day an excuse as the one day you give and show your affection for someone. Make it every day and spread love and positivity to everyone. Yeah, and that's it for this video. I will see you in my next one. Expect a lot in the next couple of days because I am turning 21 and I want to document not only my birthday, but I want to do the 20 things that I learned at 20 video and all of that jazz. Just stay tuned for everything, and thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to follow all my social medias. The links will be down in the description. Subscribe if you want to, and hit that bell button down below for post notifications for whenever I post. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.